Hello friends, today we will discuss about oxy acids of sulfur. Sulfur having some oxy acids and also structures, oxidation numbers. First you have to know the formulas, then after you have to find out the structures, how to draw the structure. All are knows, all oxy acids of basicity is 2. It means 2 OH groups. Okay, first you have to know the sulfuric acid formula. Sulfuric acid formula is H2SO4. Okay, after that you have to draw the structure. Structure means first you have to know the 2 OH groups means all oxy acids of sulfur. First you have to draw the sulfur, then after OH group, again another OH group. After that double bond O, again double bond O. How many oxygens is there? 4 oxygens. How many hydrogens is there? 2 hydrogens. How many sulfurs is there? 1 sulfur. Okay, total structure is over. Then after you have to find out the oxidation number of sulfur. Sulfur oxidation number, how to find out? First you know the remaining atoms. First of all, OH minus. So OH group oxidation number is -1. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. Again OH oxidation number is -1. Oxygen oxidation number is -2. Okay. First of all -2, then -1, next -2, next -1. You have to add -2 plus -1, -3, -3 plus -2, -5, -5 plus -1, -6. Surrounding atoms -6, middle of the sulfur atom +6. Okay, sulfur oxidation number is +6. Next you have to find out the sulfurous acid. This is sulfuric acid. This is us acid. One oxygen is removed, H2SO3. Sulfurous acid formula is H2SO3. Sulfuric acid means H2SO4. One oxygen is removed, then after sulfurous acid is formed. Okay, first sulfur, next attached with 2 OH groups, then after double bond O is added. Next you have to add lone pair, one lone pair. Okay, then after you have to find out the sulfur oxidation number. OH oxidation number is -1, oxygen oxidation number is -2, OH oxidation number is -1. Next you have to calculate -1 plus -2, -3, -3 plus -1, -4. Surrounding atoms -4. Central sulfur atom oxidation number is +4. Next one, thiosulfurous acid. Thiosulfurous acid formula is H2S2O2. Okay, how do you know? Sulfurous acid formula is H2SO3. Okay, one oxygen is removed, again one sulfur is added. After that thiosulfurous acid is formed, H2S2O2. Next you have to draw the structure. How many sulfurs is there? 2 sulfurs. First you have to write 1 sulfur, again attached with 2 OH groups. After that you have to add remaining sulfur. Okay, in this sulfur is oxidation number of sulfur -2 equal to resembles to oxygen of oxidation number you have to follow. Then you have to calculate the OH minus oxidation number is -1. Next OH oxidation number is -1. Okay, you have to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur. -1 plus -2, -3, -3 plus -1, -4. Surrounding atoms -4. Middle means central of sulfur oxidation number is +4. Okay. Next is thiosulfuric acid. Okay, thiosulfuric acid means formula is H2S2O3. Okay, above thiosulfurous acid. In this thiosulfuric acid. Okay, so one oxygen is added. Thiosulfurous acid is H2S2O2. In this H2S2O3, one oxygen is extra added. Okay, so same you have to draw the structure. First, okay, sulfur is attached with 2 OH groups, again attached with 1 sulfur, again another oxygen is added. Okay, how to find out the oxidation number of sulfur? First oxygen oxidation number is -2, OH oxidation number is -1, again another OH oxidation number is -1, again sulfur oxidation number is -2. Next you have to calculate -2 plus -1, -3 plus -2, -5, -5 plus -1, -6. Okay, so central atom of sulfur oxidation number is +6. Above sulfur oxidation number is -2. Okay, next, peroxymonosulfuric acid, it is also called as a Carros acid. Okay, formula means H2SO5. Peroxy means O2 linkages. Okay, oxygen, again oxygen. Okay, how to draw the structure? First you have to write down sulfur, then after you have to attach it with one OH group. After that double bond O, again double bond O, then you have to peroxy linkages O, again O, then after you have to add one hydrogen. Okay, how many sulfurs is there? One sulfur. How many oxygens is there? Five oxygens. Plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. 5 oxygens is over. Next, how many hydrogens is there? 2. This is 1, again 2 hydrogens is over. Then after you have to find out sulfur oxidation number. First, all are knows oxygen oxidation number is -2, OH minus oxidation number is -1, then oxygen oxidation number is -2, again oxygen oxidation number is -1. Why? Because this is attached with single bonds. Okay, again in this oxygen oxidation number is -1. In this hydrogen oxidation number is +1. Okay, +1 -1 cancel. Why? Because 0, negative and positive. -1 plus 1 is 0. Then next -2, sorry, -1 -2 -3 -3 plus -1 -4 -4 plus -2 -6. Surrounding atoms oxidation number is -6. So middle of the sulfur or central atom of sulfur oxidation number is +6. Peroxy disulfuric acid, it is also called as Marshall's acid. Formula is H2S2O8. Okay, how to draw the structure? First, sulfur attached with one OH group, again another sulfur attached with one OH group. After that peroxy linkages. So in between sulfurs added peroxy linkages. Peroxy linkages means oxygen, again another oxygen, O2 linkages. Next you have to add double bond O, again in this sulfur added to another oxygen. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 oxygens over, remaining 2 oxygens. Okay, sulfur is added to another oxygen, again another sulfur is added to the another oxygen. Okay, how to find out the first sulfur oxidation number? After that second sulfur oxidation number. First is in this sulfur -1 plus -2 -3 -3 plus -1 -4 -4 plus -2 -6. Okay, surrounding atoms oxidation number is -6. So that middle first sulfur oxidation number is +6, equal to, again same story. In this sulfur oxidation number is +6. Why? Because OH oxidation number is -1, oxygen oxidation number is -2, next oxygen oxidation number is -2. In this oxygen oxidation number is -1, -1 -2 -3 -3 plus -1 -4 -4 plus -2 -6. In this sulfur oxidation number is +6. Pyrosulfuric acid, it is also called as oleum. Formula is H2S2O7. Okay, after that you have to draw the structure. How many sulfurs? 2 sulfurs. First you have to write one sulfur, again another sulfur. First sulfur attached with one OH group, again another sulfur attached with one OH group. Okay, after that you have to add oxygens. Double bond O, next sulfur attached with again another double bond O. Okay, next sulfur is attached with another oxygen, again sulfur is attached with another oxygen. Okay, how many oxygens is there? 7 oxygens. In this only 6 oxygen completed. Then after we have to add sulfur attached with one oxygen, both sulfurs attached with one oxygen. Okay, next we have to calculate first sulfur oxidation number, again second sulfur oxidation number. First in this sulfur -2, oxygen oxidation number is -2, OH oxidation number is -1, oxygen oxidation number is -2, oxygen oxidation number is -1. -1 plus -2 -3 -3 plus -1 -4 -4 plus -2 -6. Surrounding atoms oxidation number is -6, sulfur oxidation number is +6. This is first sulfur. Again second sulfur minus 2 plus minus 1 minus 3 plus minus 2 minus 5 plus minus 1 minus 6. Surrounding atoms minus 6, sulfur plus 6. Okay. Pyrosulfurous acid formula is H2S2O5. Okay, how to draw the structure? Sulfur is attached with another sulfur. Sulfur is attached with one OH group, another sulfur attached with again another OH group. After that, you have to add double bond O, again sulfur attached with another oxygen. Okay, next first sulfur attached with oxygen. So how many oxygens is over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So oxygens completed, sulfurs completed, hydrogens completed. After that you have to calculate the first sulfur oxidation number, again second sulfur oxidation number. First you have to find out first sulfur oxidation number. Oxygen oxidation number minus 2, OH oxidation number is minus 1, oxygen oxidation number is minus 2. So minus 2 plus minus 1 minus 3, minus 3 plus minus 2 minus 5. So in this surrounding atoms minus 5, central atom of sulfur oxidation number is plus 5. Again another sulfur. Sulfur is attached to one lone pair. Okay. Then after minus 2, oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2. OH oxidation number is minus 1. So minus 1 plus minus 2 minus 3. In this sulfur and second sulfur oxidation number is plus 3. Surrounding atoms minus 3. Sulfur oxidation number is second sulfur oxidation number is plus 3. Thank you. Next class I will discuss about tricks of formulas of oxoacids of sulfur.